Yes, I could feel you stressing out. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Nurse B. My channel is all about nursing, lifestyle, and all things B. So today's video, we are going to be talking about the ATI, basically about the T's. For those of you who are thinking about taking on a path in the nursing field, schools are requiring students to take the T's, and it's important for you to do your research and make sure that the school that you are applying for the nursing program, see like what the requirements are, and just see, okay, what grade or how do I need to score so that I can move along the process. So the way, this is how they worded it. I'm going to read how they worded it, because when I was like, this is how they worded it. So they said that the goal of the T's is designed to specifically, okay, to specifically assess students' preparedness entering the health science field. So this is basically to see, okay, how prepared and how well would this student do once they are accepted into like the nursing program, like any health field that you are looking to get into. But primarily, it's the nursing program. Comprised of 170 questions. Like I said, there are 4 categories, which are science, reading, math, and English class. For reading, there are approximately 53 questions, and you have approximately a little over an hour to complete this section. And I think while math has 36 questions, and they're only giving you 54 minutes. Science, on the other hand, is another 53 questions. And that one gives you a little bit over an hour, like 63 minutes to complete that section. And English is 28 questions, and you literally have 28 minutes to complete it. You're already here, you want to know what's the best study tools for the books that they use, and they said was extremely helpful for them. And I thought this, hey, I need to share this with my YouTube family, is this ATIT's Secret Study Guide. It has, like, you know, study manuals, it has practice tests, it even has review videos, like a link to review videos to help. And this is the 6th edition. This was not really expensive. Basically breaks it down to sections that you will be seeing on the exam. So you have your math, you have your reading, you have your science, and you have your English/language. And the thing that is really good about this book, and I think that when I saw this I really thought it was helpful, is after you take the practice exams. So you do have practice exam, you have like 6 practice exams that you can take, but once you're done taking the practice exams and you're really done doing it, you have your answer key and explanation. And I think these are, so you have an answer key and explanation, and the answer key and explanation really goes into depth why this answer was correct, especially if you didn't answer it right. So this is important to revise and really go back and look into it. And I love the fact that, like, you have 6 practice exams. That's giving you 6 chances to just practice and get into, like, you know, feeling comfortable in practicing prior to your exam. Another thing that I thought was really helpful that I decided to get also, a cheat sheet, and I think this is, oh, the lighting. I thought this was extremely convenient, because it literally, especially for students who are always on the go, if you are working and you're trying to study for the T's or you're taking classes, you have everything in your hands, and you can take this study guide. Oh, the lighting is so bad. You can take this study guide and literally go everywhere with it and just practice. Fractions, it has examples. Also, it gives you like addition, subtraction, the metric system right here, like from kilograms, it shows you how to do inches to centimeters. You also have right here how to interpret data. So you have all these great tools, literally it serves to you. So I would suggest and I would recommend that you do purchase this little cheat sheet, simply because you can carry this everywhere, as opposed to, like, yes, this book is amazing, it's good, it's helpful, but if you are someone who is at work, if you have to be on the go, on your break, you can just pull this out, review, and honestly, like, if you, there are times when you don't want to, you just want to throw the book away. So this right here, this cheat sheet, I think is just amazing. It's just like has everything condensed and just like straight up right there. So my take on the T's is, yes, the T's is stressful. Can you pass? Yes. As long as you put in the work, you do what you have to do, you will be okay. Again, every school is different, so before you take the T's, see what your school is recommending and make sure you do your research. So comment down below. Let me know, how are you studying for the T's? What books, what resources are you using to help you prepare for the T's? Let me know. What are your thoughts on the T's? Do you think the T's is just basically a way for these schools to wean out the strongest from the weakest? Because that's just my take on it. I feel like the T's is just like, why? But comment down below, let me know. Let's have a discussion about this. What are your thoughts on the T's? And if you did take the T's, how did you do? And if you did well, what resources and tools did you use? Until next time, it's your girl Nurse B. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and most importantly, don't forget to study. Until next time, it's your girl Nurse B. Bye.